The moment for me where I decided that veterinary medicine was my path and going to be my future was my first time working in a clinic. I shadowed Dr. Rachel Frenung at Tri-County Veterinary Clinic in Indiana, and I remember watching her take care of the animals and balance leading the clinic and doing the amazing job at team support that she did, and I could just envision myself doing that day in and day out, and I was like, I want to recreate that, and I can totally see myself doing this forever. So I think that being at that clinic and just seeing veterinary medicine firsthand, that really solidified it for me. A moment that sticks with me when things get quiet around campus, it's kind of a silly one, but my first day orientation, everybody was standing around and talking, and Lisa Kelly, who I didn't know at the time, but she came up to me and was like, I saw your name on the class list, and I just had to say, Dr. Friend is such a cool name. And in the moment, I just kind of laughed, but I think about that a lot now because I think that's the first time I transitioned from thinking myself as a student or just a soldier or a person other than a doctor. And I think that was the start of me starting to create the image of myself as a doctor in the future. The moment I realized I wasn't alone in this vet journey, vet school in general, was definitely first year. I had actually got COVID and I missed 3 or 4 days of class, which for our systems courses at the time was like equivalent to missing weeks of a regular semester. And I was sitting in the student center struggling to put the pieces together and trying my best to study. And Angela Wolf, a fellow classmate of mine, was also in the student center, and I reached out and asked her, I said, will you please help me study? I am struggling and I've missed a lot of the lecture. And she was very understanding and helpful and encouraging, and we dove in and studied so hard for that exam. And that was also the first time as an out-of-state student that I really studied with another student and realized I don't have to be on this island of learning alone. I can tackle it with other students and we can be a team. So that really opened my eyes to the vet med journey isn't one that you have to do alone. For me, transitioning into clinics is exciting because you're kind of taking that step from sitting behind a textbook or a lecture slide for hours on end to actually being able to do the hands-on application of our knowledge. And I'm a very hands-on visual learner, so I feel like I'm really going to be able to solidify topics and actually start to show what I know a little bit better than what a test or quiz really would. For me, sitting here now, this moment in my career solidifies that I can do what I put my mind to and what I can become what I want to become. My support along this entire veterinary career journey has mostly come, honestly, from fellow classmates. A big handful of fellow classmates, I can't even list them all. Just laughing together, venting together, studying together, and being able to talk to people and rely on others who know the depth of what we're going through and the challenges that we're currently facing. So fellow classmates have really honestly kept me together and kept me here where I am.
Shelby Friend.